Do you struggle making smaller meals at the campsite? Today I'm going to share how to make simple and delicious camping meals for two. On most of our trips, my husband and I, we camp alone. Most of my camping recipes are designed to feed a family of 4. If I make my regular recipes, that means I know I'm going to have leftovers, which either need to get reheated or reinvented. I can also make camping meals that are designed for just 2 people. Today, I am sharing with you 10 of my favorite camping meals for 2. They are quick, easy, and delicious. I'm Kim, welcome to my Camping for Foodies cooking channel. Number 1 on the list is Cajun chicken foil packets. These things are amazing. They're fast, they're delicious, and they're moist. It's a quick 30-minute dinner. The really awesome thing is you build the recipe right in the foil pack, cook it in the pack, eat right out of the pack, and throw the foil away. There's almost no cleanup to this one. I like to wash and chop my vegetables and my meat at home. It's great for saving time at the campsite, and it's also really nice when we're boondocking when I'm trying to conserve water. You can scale them up if you have more people joining you. You can scale them back to feed just one person. They're a veggie-packed meal that's keto, low-carb friendly, and they're gluten-free. Number 2 on the list is grilled flatbread pizza. This vegetarian meal has Greek and Italian flavors. I love this veggie-filled meal. You pile everything on top of naan bread, grill it, and you've got dinner. The really nice thing about pizza like this is you can just swap out some ingredients and change the entire flavor profile. If you've got more people joining you, just set up an ingredient bar. Let them build their own pizza, grill it, and the work is done. Number 3 is 4-ingredient banana pancakes. I like these because the sweetness comes from the ripe bananas. There is absolutely no refined sugar in this recipe. These are quick to prepare, totally delicious, and they're vegan. Number 4 on the list is grilled chicken nuggets. If you like Chick-fil-A nuggets, you're gonna love this recipe. It's my copycat. I like to prepare all of the chicken and mix all the spices at home. Then when I get to the campsite, I just brine the meat. That takes about a half an hour, and then throw these puppies on the grill. They're done in 10 minutes. This is a great main dish if you're serving just 2 people. It's also a really nice appetizer or snack if you've got 4 people. Number 5 on the list is shrimp and asparagus foil packs. The lemon and garlic in this recipe provide a ton of flavor. Anytime I'm cooking with shrimp at the campsite, I don't want to deal with cleaning and deveining, so I buy frozen shrimp that's already peeled and deveined, and then I just need to defrost it when I'm at camp. The nice thing about foil packs is that you can cook them over a campfire, you can cook them on a grill, you can cook them in your Blackstone, or you can cook them in your RV oven. They are so awesome, and cleanup is a breeze when you're done. Number 6 on the list is red velvet French toast. I love red velvet anything. This is a great recipe if you're doing breakfast on kind of special occasion mornings. This is an easy and elegant French toast. All the heavy lifting is already done for you because we're using brioche bread. I love making some kind of shape out of it. You can use a cookie cutter or a knife to cut the bread by hand into different shapes. Stars are great when you're camping on Memorial Day or on 4th of July. Hearts are really nice when you're camping for Valentine's Day or some kind of anniversary. The cream cheese drizzle on the top really finishes this one off nicely. Number 7 is Campfire chili cheese fries. If you're looking for some kind of bar food for dinner or a fun snack, this is the recipe you want to try. There's absolutely no prep work. This recipe uses frozen French fries and canned chili. If you make chili earlier in your trip and you have leftovers, skip the can, go for the real stuff. You're gonna wrap all this stuff in foil with a little bit of cheese, heat it through, open up the pack, and eat. If you want to add a few extra toppings, I'm going to recommend a couple. Slice a few little jalapeno peppers, drizzle a little bit of sour cream, slice a few green onions. Those are great toppers to really finish this off. And cleanup is a breeze. Number 8 on the list is raw veggie wraps. These healthy, satisfying, and flavor-packed veggie wraps are vegan and they're gluten-free. They're filled with vitamins and nutrients. You can swap out the ingredients to create endless flavor combinations. I like using spinach instead of something like a spring mix when I need a leafy green, because spinach is hardy and it stands up to a cooler or an RV refrigerator that doesn't really maintain a nice temperature for vegetables. Normally when I make sandwiches, I serve a salad on the side, but for this one, it's filled with veggies, so instead I'll do some kind of chips. Potato chips when we're really feeling like, we want to indulge. Number 9 is bacon wrapped grilled cheese. Yes, you heard me right. They're ooey, they're gooey, and they're decadently delicious. The nice thing about this recipe is you can cook it on a griddle over a campfire, in a skillet on a stove, or on your Blackstone. Because the sandwich is so rich, I like to serve a really big salad on the side. Number 10 is my camping breakfast skillet. This one-pot meal has it all. You start with ham and eggs, add some potatoes and cheese. I like using deli ham. It's already cooked. This is a fast, simple, and filling meal. It's a great way to start your day. These are just some of my camping meals for 2. I have more. I'm going to leave a link below where you can find all of those. Every one of my recipes has step-by-step instructions, nutritional information. You can scale it to feed as many or as few people as you want, and it's printable so you can take a copy to the campsite. Don't make meal planning a chore. I have a free printable camping meal planner. I'm going to leave a link below. Go grab yourself a copy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want more simple recipes and tips to make your next camping adventure an awesome one. Leave a comment below because I'd really love to hear from you. Let me know what your favorite meal is when you are camping and cooking for just 2 people.